Hello there and welcome to WB Fine Woodworking. I'm Don Bullock. Today I'd like to share with you someone who's on YouTube. Chad Stanton used to be on I Can Do That, and now he started his own YouTube channel where he can do a lot of things that he wants to do. He has 3 programs that he tries to do every week. On Monday, Chad shares photos of projects that woodworkers from all over the world have sent in to him. Some of the projects are in progress and some of them are completed projects. Chad also has what he calls Spotlight of the Week. He features a particular woodworker and shares with his viewers their website, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube channel. We were featured on one of those recently. Wednesday's program is called After Hours Woodworking. It's where Chad shares what he's been doing on his job and in his workshop. Wednesday's program is the newest of the 3 that Chad does. It's liable to change a little bit in the future though. Chad just bought a new place. He has a beautiful wooded lot with a pole barn that's twice the size of what he has now. He's hoping that it will help with his projects and also hopes to offer classes in the future. So stay tuned, especially to his Wednesday program, and see how things change over time. He also has a feature called Should You Own It? This is where he shares some tools or products that he's used in his woodworking and tells you whether he likes it or sometimes he doesn't like it. The Friday show is where Chad shares some of his ideas and techniques for woodworking. He shows specific things that he does, or he shares tools that he uses and why he uses particular tools the way he does. So I'd suggest you check out Chad Stanton's YouTube channel. He has a very unique approach to woodworking because his day job is being a general contractor. So his approach to woodworking is quite different than some of ours. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Leave any questions or comments that you have. And thank you very much to all of you who have subscribed to our channel, and we hope some of you will subscribe as well. Thank you very much for watching.